Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning. Today's good morning, guys. Sorry. So today, um, this is my first vlog. If you're new to my channel, you're very much welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and also drop a comment. Okay. And if you've been watching my videos, thank you so much. So my friend just sent me a message. Today I'll be vlogging and I want to loosen my hair. I've been carrying this hair since New Year. So it's close to 2 months now and I have to lose it today. It has two of my hair has pulled out. Look at this one. This one even removed my hair, like literally. So I want to go and loosen it. I've called my friend. I chatted her up yesterday on WhatsApp and I told her I'll be coming today to loosen the hair. So we'll be going together. I'll be carrying my phone, I'll be vlogging. So so you all will meet my friend. It's always good to support your friends, support their businesses. If they have a business they are doing and it is something you can afford, support them. If it's something you cannot afford, you can help them to talk about the products, tell your friends, repost and all of that. Okay, so I want to go and take my bath, freshen up, and we'll go together. So she sent me a message just now that I should come home. She's waiting for me, so let's go get ready. Okay, so I went ahead and took my bath and brushed my teeth, and then I applied my body lotion and also my face cream. After applying my face cream, as you can see, my face is looking fresh and plump. So I applied my lip balm as well to keep my lips moisturized. So I decided to make this cup of goodness, green tea, lemon, and honey. So this has a lot of benefits. Trust me, you all should start taking this. You can take it every day, although I'm not consistent in taking it every day, but at least in a week I try to take it 4 times a week. It helps hair growth, it helps to benefit the heart, it manages cholesterol that can lead to heart disease and stroke, it fights bad breath, it helps to strengthen the bone muscles, it improves brain function, it helps to boost your immune system and fight viruses that can cause cold and flu. So I put the tea bag in a cup and poured in hot water. I didn't put so much water, okay, so that I can get all the benefits, and I added honey to sweeten it. This is optional. If you don't like sugar, you can leave it out. So it's time for me to take this so that my skin can look healthy, clear, beautiful, and glowing. You get it? Smelling good is very necessary. You all know, especially as a woman, you need to smell nice and beautiful. So I had to apply my deodorants, my body spray, and my perfumes so that I can smell fresh and good all through the day. Actually, I didn't plan to wear this dress. I had something else on my mind, but on a second thought, I just wanted something that will be very free on my body, that will make me feel comfortable, that will make all the fresh air enter my body. You get what I mean? Since I was going to loosen my braids, I didn't want anything that would tighten me or make me feel hot. So I decided to wear this gown, and I decided to pair it with these black beautiful earrings, and I tried to finish my tea and also pack my hair tools like my combs, my hair cream. I'm using this Kakatin. My friend actually recommended this for me because I was having serious dandruffs, and trust me, this has helped me. So if you have dandruff, try out this particular cream. Is very nice. It helped me really good. So I also took my charger, my lip balm, my palasa phone for my business calls, my charger, my hand fan, and I also took my Mentos chewing gum to keep my mouth fresh all day. So I wore my wristwatch, and we are in this cashless policy now. There's no money anywhere, so I miraculously saw this 500 naira in my bag, and I was so happy. So I just took it along because I need to spend money on some things. It might be necessary. So it's time for me to leave. So I entered the road and I was walking because her shop is not far from my house, so it's trackable. So I got there and we were all excited. Good evening, sir.
Hello.
See my friend. my list. So guys, this is 3:35 p.m. I got here very hungry. So Arami is trying to cook for me. Let's let me go cook this thing safe. Abi? She said I'm cooking the food though. Okay, no problem. I'm a chef. I trust myself. My friend is a good cook, oh. But let me cook it, no problem. So we are cooking jollof rice and chicken. As you can see, she's washing the pot. So I beg, this is how she always treats me. She always treats, in fact, see you need a hairstylist and a friend like this, my friend Chineye. Hey, she can entertain me. I know she get that. Even if I marry, go far. I'm gonna call you, can't do it. So I'll come and enjoy myself. There's no time I come here that she will not cook for me. Look at her, fine there. So she got it. Oh, I'll take you guys through the cooking process, okay? So we wanted to buy one lap of chicken, but the woman said she doesn't sell it that way, which was strange because in my area they sell it that way. So we decided to buy turkey. So this particular one you can see that she just removed now is 3,500 we got it for. So because there's no cash now, we had to make transfer to buy this. My friend is so shy on camera. God. So we got this, we got tomato paste, and the chef decided to go and do what she knows how to do best. Trust me. So this is not really like a classic kind of cooking video. You know, it's a shop, we don't have a proper kitchen, so manage it. So I went back, I seasoned the turkey, and then I put it on fire. At this stage, I had to cut my braids in order to make the losing very easy and fast. So in my next hairstyle, I'm thinking of doing something very simple and short like this because there's heat and I don't want anything that will give me heat that will make me feel heavy or uncomfortable. So at this point, my turkey was already boiling and then I had to fry it. Sure, you can hear the sound of the frying. You can hear it. So I had to use the oil I used in frying my turkey. I didn't use everything, I just used some to fry my onions and my tomato for it to, fry very well. And then I had to pour in water, I seasoned it, and I had to cover it for it to boil. And at this point, I was pouring in my washed rice. I've already washed the rice. I had to pour it in and, cover it for it to cook. To be honest, the aroma from this food did not allow I and my friend to concentrate at all. At this point, the rice was ready. I had to stir it together. She quickly selected her turkey, gave me plate to serve her because she just wanted to consume this food. So I served her and served mine, and we took it with chilled drinks. I took mine with chilled malt, while she did take hers with chilled Pepsi. Like she was hyping this food. It was so delicious. I won't even lie. Correct.
Myself for YouTube.
You will see yourself, don't worry. So after eating, I had to loosen my hair completely and it was time for me to wash the hair. See fine girl, Pinot. She was so shy. Honestly, she's tired of me and this my camera. It was night already. You can see everywhere is so dark, so I had to blow dry my hair, then pack it because I can't wait any longer. We have to go home. We are ladies and the environment is not safe since election is coming. So we had to, comb the hair, pack it, and leave it after a few days so I can come back and make it. So we are done and dusted, and I'll see you all in a few days. Bye. Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is Thursday and it's a continuation of the video I did on Tuesday, which you just watched, when I went to my friend's salon to loosen my hair and to wash it and also to get my nails done. Okay, so today I'm going to be going back there to go and make my hair. Okay, so normally I'm not supposed to be making this hair because it did cut my hair. I'm supposed to like be on cornrow by now and wearing my wigs, but funny enough, I don't just want to do anything wig. That's just a fact. I do not want to do anything wig. I just want to, do this kinky hair extension kind of, I'm going to show you guys when I get there. But anyhow, this is what I just feel like doing. May God help this my front end, God I beg. But without wasting much time, I'm going to be taking you guys along and I want to pack my customers' order. So let's get into it. Please, if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like this video, drop a comment, and I love you. Mwah. So this is me packing my customers' orders, and this is what I do. I produce and sell quality and effective cleaning products such as tile cleaner, toilet wash for stubborn and tough stains on your tiles and toilets, bed bug and insect killer, antiseptic liquid, air freshener, liquid soaps, and I have packed my customers' orders and I'm waiting for the rider. So if you need things like this, please send us a message. We deliver nationwide in Nigeria. Okay. So it is time for me to leave. Can you see my nails? Very beautiful, like very, very beautiful. So I didn't comb my hair, but since I'm going to make it, nothing spoil. So I'm on my way there and I will see you guys there, okay? When I got there, honestly, I forgot that I was vlogging. I just remembered, and I and my friend had already planned what to cook. We decided to fry yam and also egg sauce, and she was the one doing the cooking today. So I'm so excited. I'm a foodie. I really like food. I love food so much, good food. So I'll be waiting for the food to be ready. So our food is ready. Honestly, this looks good and tastes so delicious. The yam, na sugar. I really loved it. After eating, it was time for us to make our hair. So this is the extension I'm going to be using. I had to cut it short because I want it short. I want to feel just very comfortable. I don't want heat, and this was actually what I loved, and it is so lightweight. I didn't even feel like I had anything on my hair. So lightweight. I really love this. Welcome back, besties. So this is like a continuation of the last video. The last video I did, I couldn't complete it, honestly. That very day I was making my hair, I got a phone call and it was a bad news. My attention was needed like urgently, so I just had to leave my friend's salon in a hurry and I went to attend to the situation. I really want to thank God because the devil really struck, but God gave me victory. Honestly, maybe by now I would have been in a very sorrowful phase of my life, but God did not allow the plan of the evil ones and the plan of the devil to come to pass. He really delivered me from such scenario, from such situation. So I just thank God. So this is the hair I made. Today is March 7th. The last video I made in the salon was 24th of February. So it's almost 2 weeks that I made this hair, and this is it. What do you guys think? Actually, I wanted something very simple, short, that will make me feel very comfortable because the weather is very hot and I cannot just bear making a hair that will be heavy, that will be too long, that will make me feel uncomfortable and give me too much heat. I don't have strength to sweat, so I just wanted something simple, light. Like honestly, it doesn't even look like I have anything on my hair, on my head rather. It is so light, so simple and so comfortable. So let me know what you think in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for watching my vlog. I really appreciate it. Please do make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, make sure you hit on the red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon, and also do not forget to drop a comment and share this video with your friends. Okay, so till I come your way next time, I remain Winner, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.